Linux is not better than Windows.
What? What the f?
Now that probably sounds ridiculous coming from me. I mean, I left Windows after around 30 years and now I game, record, stream and build things on Fedora. I even run a channel about Linux. I have no interest in going back to Windows.
They have finally admitted to themselves that Windows 11 is a giant boatload of suck.
Linux gives me something that I never really got from Windows, and it has nothing to do with benchmarks, memory usage, or winning an argument online. Once I understood that, the whole idea of one operating system being better than another stopped making sense. The real question is much more important. Which one fits the way you want to use your computer? Now, Windows gave me a familiar desktop and access to pretty much everything I wanted to install, but Linux gave me choices, sometimes far more than I knew what to do with. Since moving over to Linux, I have used KDE Plasma, Nerea Noctalia, and I currently use Kinetic WE built by the Black Don. That freedom is one of the things I really love about Linux, but it sent me down a pretty deep rabbit hole. On Linux, software confused the hell out of me at first. I was used to just going to a website, downloading an installer, and clicking on next. On Linux, I suddenly had repositories, Flatpaks, app images, and COPRs to choose from. So I needed to learn all about that. Once it clicked though, I actually started to prefer it. Most of my software could be installed and updated through the system, and I did not have to go hunting around all different websites for everything. That was just the start though. I learned about package managers, file systems, Wayland, portals, desktop environments, compositors, and system services. Eventually I started writing scripts and build my own apps, which I've now got on the Fedora COPR, which is the community repository. Linux made me want to understand what my computer was doing, and that is incredibly rewarding for me. But some people just want to turn on their PC, launch a game and just get on with it. They do not want the operating system to become another hobby. Now, the more I learned, the more confident I became. Eventually I started believing I knew what I was doing. I have removed desktop components, changed login managers, swapped desktop environments, mixed repositories and installed experimental software. Occasionally though, that has left me staring at a login screen trying to work out what it was I actually broke. But most of the time Linux was doing exactly what I had told it to do. The problem was that I did not always understand what I was asking for. Strangely, that is part of the reason I stayed. I can decide how the system looks and which services run, when it updates and what desktop I want to use. I have made mistakes along the way, but the computer now feels like mine. That freedom matters to me, but it does not make the compatibility problems disappear. Gaming is where it becomes pretty impossible to ignore. Now, Linux gaming is far better than many people realise. Steam and Proton have made a huge number of Windows games surprisingly easy to run. Most of the time, I install the game, click play, and it just works. Other games though do need some extra effort, or they may perform worse, or even refuse to just run because of the anti-cheat. The reason may sit with the publisher rather than Linux, but that does not help when it's the game that you want to play. When that happens, I just accept that I cannot play it. Linux is still my gaming system, but somebody who wants every game in their library to work would be making a very different compromise. Hardware has its moments too.
I'm very happy to say that it's the exception rather than the rule. And I'm also happy to very publicly point out Nvidia has been the single worst company we've ever dealt with. So Nvidia, fuck you.
Switching gave me a system I enjoy using and the confidence to build the things that I would never have attempted before. That matters far more to me than benchmarks or memory usage. So is Linux better than Windows? Well, for me, absolutely. It may take some learning, and you should always check the games, applications and hardware that matter to you before making the switch. But once Linux fits your needs though, it can become far more than an alternative to Windows. It could become your system, built around your priorities and ready for you to go as deep as you want to take it. If you've made it this far, thank you. Don't forget to pop a comment down below or an emoji for the sake of engagement. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care and I'll catch you in the next one.